The HasOffers Network API is a powerful tool allowing enterprise clients to perform a multitude of functions. API stands for Application Program Interface, which is just a way of describing one piece of software talking or interfacing with another. The HasOffers Network API is a self-service tool which allows you to insert and retrieve data from your network. It is best to have some programming knowledge or programming experts available when utilizing the HasOffers API. Your API key gives software access to your entire network, including the ability to add and change offers, add and disable users, change user passwords, retrieve reporting data. Anything you can do from the HasOffers interface, you can do through the API. Take care to provide your API key only to systems and developers you trust. To get to the API management page, log in to your HasOffers platform, then go to the API section of the Support tab. If you do not already have an API key, you may see a banner which says, "You do not have an active API key. Create one now." Click on Create One Now to generate your API key. Once you have your API key generated, you can see 3 pieces of information: Network ID, API key, and API domain. Those are required on each API call to authenticate access to your account. To prevent unauthorized access, only IP addresses on your API's whitelist can make API calls to your network. If your computer's IP address is not on the whitelist, you will be unable to establish a connection to the server, and thus API calls will not function properly. To whitelist an IP address, navigate to the API section under the Support tab. From the API management page, locate the Whitelist IP address section. Type in the IP addresses you want to allow access from, then click Add. There are countless actions you can take using the HasOffers API. Check out the Tune developers site for more details on all of the calls you can make. Some common ways the API is used include pulling or exporting reports directly from your network into a customer relationship management, business intelligence, or other analytics solution. Pushing or importing new offers into your network from a shopping cart, invoicing system, or other publisher network. Quickly handling large tasks, such as automating bulk publisher invoicing, saving lots of time and effort. The HasOffers Network API is a great way to insert and retrieve data, as well as create custom integrations.